So I'm just gonna be showing you guys what I do in a day. So I'm going to the salon today to get my hair done, and then I'm also gonna try and get my nails done. Okay, so I'll probably film that. So I'm just in my living room. I'm actually trying to prepare breakfast, so I'm gonna film that I think so that you guys get to see. So yeah, come with me. So this is where I have my kitchen supplies. I think I want to do some fried chicken today, so I'm gonna be needing this breadcrumbs, okay, some oil and some chicken, I believe. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the final outcome of my breakfast. Oh, I think I want to do pepper soup. I don't know if you guys know this, but it's called pepper soup here in Nigeria. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like when I'm done preparing that, so stay tuned. So this is what I'm gonna have for breakfast. This is some rice, and this is some catfish peppers. So this is fish, catfish. This is just my local dish. This is what we prepare in Nigeria. So to my international subscribers, you guys may not know this meal, but you should try it out, okay? So yeah, this is what I'm having for breakfast before I head out, okay? So bye guys. So now I'm going to be unboxing some new hair that I got from the company called Raw Hair Enterprises. I have filmed an unboxing video for this company in the past, but today I'm going to be unboxing some new bundles that I got from them. And the bundles that I got are 3 bundles of their Raw Indian Curly in the length, I believe 12 or 14 inches. I will leave the exact length and everything you have to know about this hair will be listed down in the description box below. So yeah, this is 3 bundles of their Raw Indian Curly. You can definitely see the luster on this hair. Like when I tell you these are Raw Indian bundles sourced directly from a donut's head, you guys, like look at that curl pattern. Like, can you guys see those little ringlets towards the end of the hair? Like when I tell you the hair is bomb. So I'm gonna be doing a sew in. I'm gonna have this hair installed on my head and I will show you guys the final results. So you can definitely tell by the video that this hair is just beautiful. Like look at that curl pattern. Look at that curl pattern, you guys. So this is just me trying to show you guys the bundles directly. When I tell you, like, you guys, this hair is just beautiful. Once again, I got 3 bundles in the length 14 inches, I think. So this is just me showing you guys, you know, one after the other. I'm just trying to let you guys see how beautiful this curl pattern is, how full the bundles are. Like each bundle is so full. You can honestly just do away with 2 bundles and a closure and you'll be good, okay? Trust me when I say you'll be good. So yeah, this is just me touching the hair. The hair is super soft. And this is me me just going through each strand of the hair. Like when I tell you guys, I'm literally taking my time to look thoroughly into every strand of the hair, because I'm trying to make sure that there are no red fibers, there are no fillers, synthetic strands, and you know, all of those other things that most of these vendors mix in their bundles. So yeah, this is just me going through the hair, and there are no tangles, there are no red fibers, none of that. Like the hair is just really beautiful, exceptional quality, and the fact that the hair comes with like tiny ringlets towards the end is just a plus for me. So now when it comes to the closure, you guys, the closure for me was, I don't know how I feel about the closure. I'm still testing out the closure. So this is just me giving you guys an up close view of what the bundles look like. Look at that luster, you guys. Like, look at that shine. Can you guys see how raw that hair is? Like, beautiful. So this is just my stylist giving you guys an up-close view of what the bundles look like. So y'all should take your time and watch the video and just look at the hair thoroughly. And yeah, I'll be back. So hey guys, I'm back home. Today was very stressful. I was able to film some clips of me in the salon. I couldn't get any footage of my stylist actually putting this bundles on my head. So yeah, as you guys can see, I did the traditional sew-in method. I didn't use the closure. Now, I didn't like the closure, okay? I didn't like the closure. It was too dense. It was so hard to work with, okay? So I had to like just toss the closure aside, and I decided to just go for a traditional sew-in. So this is just how the curls turned out. Okay, as you guys can see, this ringlets going on here. I'm still going to define the curls more. As you guys know, this is curly hair. So you guys already know how Indian hair behaves. Indian hair tends to like freeze up a lot, so you have to like make sure you keep your hands away from your hair if you want to like maintain a certain amount of volume, because the more you keep fondling through the hair, the poofier the hair is just gonna get. So I love the curl pattern of the hair. The hair is super soft. I love all of the products that I used on this hair. So I love the fact that I did a sewing, so that way each time I'm taking my bath in the morning, ready to go to work, I could just wet the hair with some water and put in some conditioner, and then I'll just style the hair. So I also got my nails done. So yeah, I just wanted to like come show you guys how this hair is looking on my head. It's so simple. It's short, like 14 inches. So yeah, I'm just going to put this up in a ponytail, and I'm gonna put on my bonnet, and I'm just gonna go back upstairs to freshen up. I need to have my bath, and yeah, put on some PJs, grab something to eat real quick because it's getting super late. So yeah, that's it guys. Which means like come show you guys how this hair turned out after installing this hair in my head. So yeah, that's it you guys. I'm gonna come back with like an update video to let you guys know how this hair held up and all of that goodness. So if you enjoyed this vlog, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Also thumbs up this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.